Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be showing you one of our features from Syncplicity, Search and Tagging. These combined features available in the Syncplicity online experience make it easy for users to find what they need quickly. So what can be searched? Within the new search functionality, you'll be able to search for file and folder names along with content within your files. You also have the ability to be very specific in your search by filtering file type, file size, and date modified, along with narrowing your search scope, who the owner of that content is, and by searching for specific tags added to folders. Now, let's go ahead and do a search for documents. You can see I have several results available to choose from. Here to the right, you'll see the number of search results are displayed. The term I've searched for is highlighted below, and the files and folders displayed. Something else you'll find especially helpful is that Syncplicity will keep all of your results on a single page rather than requiring users to click to the next page of results. Simply continue scrolling to see more results from your search. Also, if you find yourself navigating to the previous page during your search, you have the ability to recall your search by clicking your browser's forward button. And this may become a common search for you. With this feature, you have the ability to save this URL after searching it to recall at a later date or share with a colleague. A few best practices and things to keep in mind as you begin to use search within Syncplicity. Search will display results within current versions of a document only. You're able to see past searches as part of browser history. With regards to indexing, files indexed less than 25 megabytes will appear if you're searching for keywords within your content. Keep in mind that Syncplicity will display those keywords within the first 2,000 characters per indexed file. Along with that, search results should be sorted by relevancy. Earlier we showed you how you can search for metadata tags. Creating tags for files and folders with metadata is just as easy. With tagging enabled, you'll be able to have insights into the contents of your files and folders without having to click into it, adding context to your content. You have the ability to add a maximum of 10 tags with a maximum of 20 characters per tag. And your tags can look like this. Your tags are case sensitive and will autocomplete as you continue adding tags to your files and folders. As you begin adding tags, keep in mind, like any other metadata, tags are shared with everyone. Tags can only be edited at time of creation, and users with read-only access can only view tags you've added. Actions on tags will be displayed in your activity feed. Additionally, file and folder audit reports will capture tag added and removed events. To learn more about search and tagging and enabling this feature for your Syncplicity enterprise, contact your customer success manager or reach out to Syncplicity at support@syncplicity.com.